guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm filming a vlog today for the first time in a while. I don't know if I've done a vlog since Vlogmas, which is kind of crazy because that was like 3 months ago. I've done videos, but I don't know if I've filmed a vlog. But with all of this coronavirus pandemic and, you know, social distancing and staying home and all that kind of stuff, I figured maybe it's a good opportunity to do something productive with my Saturday. So here we are. It is like 1:30 on Saturday, and I feel like I've never wanted to go outside more than right now when I'm being told to stay home. I don't know if other people feel that, but like it's tough because, you know, not that I go out all that often, but I think just being told like you can't go to Target and just walk around and go shopping, and you can't go to the mall and walk around and go shopping, I'm just like, but it's definitely a good thing to do. I'm not trying to complain or say that people shouldn't be doing that or anything like that. Don't get me wrong. It's just like an interesting thing. I think it's probably human nature to just feel like you want to do something more when people tell you that you can't. It's just what it is. But in this case, it's for the best, and we're all going to abide by that. So anyway, so I feel like also being in the house more often has made me really aware of how messy things are and how much I want to clean and organize and all that kind of stuff. So today I'm going to try and work on organizing and cleaning some stuff. First, I think I'm going to start by putting the new patio chair that I got together because it looks so cute in the picture anyway. It's not together, but it looks really cute in the pictures that I saw put together. And I sat in one in Target before I bought it a few weeks ago, and it is so comfortable. So I'm ready to get it set up so I can just sit on the patio by myself. Actually, I've got 2 toddlers, so like by myself, probably not. But the kids will probably sit with me. But I'm really excited to get that put together because I've wanted to for a while and I just haven't. So what a great opportunity when I can't go anywhere anyway. I might as well do some stuff around the house. So here we go. Look, I found a baby girl. I found a baby girl. Can you show us your outfit, Autumn? Can you model for us? What are you wearing? Who are you wearing? Oh, yes, yes. Too close to camera. Oh, beautiful. We got some shiny stars, gold stars. We love it. We love to see it. Okay, so this is the current situation in our morning room / playroom. As you can see, the patio furniture is taking up quite a bit of the the area here. So this is the chair that I'm going to put together first because I want to sit in it right now. So can we put it together, Autumn? You can help me? Nice. We are going to put this together. Right? Or we're going to die trying. All right. Instructions. Okay. So first, we have to put the seat frame upside down and attach the leg frame. Can we do that?
Yes.
I like that confidence. Okay. Okay. Oh! Okay, what part is this again? I don't think that's even the part we need right now. It's honestly, what is life, Autumn? Okay, watch out, please. I'm gonna put this back here because I don't think we need that part right now. Okay, the seat frame, that's this part, upside down, and then attach the leg frame. We can do this, Autumn. You know why? Yeah. Because girls run the world, all right? We're gonna do a time lapse because we just are. Okay, so I'm gonna pause because I got the legs on, and I'm going to try and get it outside through the patio door because I'm afraid if I don't get it all like fully together, it's not gonna fit out the door. So let's do that real quick before we finish. Okay, so I actually ended up moving outside and I had to take the chair back apart. So I had to take it off because I couldn't fit the chair through the patio door. So fun times. So, okay. I got everything back on, so we're gonna pick back up where we left off. Now that I've basically had to do things twice. But now I really know how to do it. In case I ever have to put one of these chairs together again. Silver lining, I guess. All right, let's see. Let's get this angle though. Is that decent? Okay, that's pretty good. All right, let's read these instructions. I think I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to turn it right side up now. So let's remove all this stuff and do that. Let's not lose the pieces though. Crucial to putting things together. Don't lose the pieces. Oh, I'm so excited. Ah ha ha ha. Nice. Okay. What do I do now? Instructions. Oh, I'm already excited to sit in this chair. It's like, so I saw this chair in Target like a while ago. This chair came out, has been out for a minute, but I saw it in the store a couple weeks ago and I sat in it and it's so much bigger than it looked when I saw it online, and that's what sold me. Plus the cushion was so comfortable and I was like, oh, like look how deep this thing is. Oh, I'll try and give you a better view later, but like, I'm a tall chick and like I can pretty much only have my feet hanging off of this thing. Like that's how deep it is, and I can like curl up and anyway. Okay, let's finish getting it assembled and get the cushion on to fully enjoy it. These doohickeys. Oh, those look like small pieces. Let's not lose those. It's actually not super warm out here, which is unfortunate, but definitely still gonna sit in my chair. Dora, Dora, Dora the Explorer. So I love the kids were all like super psyched to help me. And then like as soon as they got outside after 2 seconds, they were like, ah, it's cold, bye. So excited. All right. Sweet. All right, now I'm pretty sure they're like screws I'm supposed to put in so it connects them. Otherwise this is not like attached at all. All right. Oh, lost our page completely. Swiping out swiping, swiping out swiping. So I just dropped the Allen wrench through one of the holes in the deck. And I really don't want to climb under the deck to get it, so I think we're done. I don't want to crawl under the deck, it's creepy down there. Also airplane. Can you fuck off? Thank you. I mean, it's definitely not tight. Let's see if I can do it without the Allen wrench, because I probably shouldn't just leave that under there forever, but like also I don't want to crawl under the deck. Like there's probably spiders and shit. No, I'm not doing it. I don't want to do it. It's creepy down there. No, I'm gonna see if I can deal without it, and that Allen wrench will just live down there forever. And I'm honestly fine with that. Ta-da! I did it. I did it mostly by myself. But oh, it looks so good. So we bought a dining set for outside, and I'm still trying to figure out what the configuration of all the furniture is going to be. So we have all the spaces over here, and we have the grill and like a dining table and 6 chairs. So it'll probably go somewhere in this vicinity. And then I want to have like a little seating area, so maybe this will go. I mean, it's going here for now because, I mean, nothing else is out here, so it really doesn't matter. I can put it wherever, but for now I think we'll leave it here and kind of reconfigure once I get all the rest of the furniture put together, which honestly will probably be later this week, so yay. Now let's test it. Yeah, this is like everything that I wanted and more. If it was a little bit warmer, this moment would be perfect. It's quiet. It's the cushions, I'm telling you guys, like something about whatever's inside this cushion is just so comfortable. And I love that it's super deep, so I can like curl up and feel really comfortable. Just look out to the backyard full of grass that probably needs to be treated in some way because it looks like trash. But anyway, it's fine. It's all fine. All right, let's pose for a thumbnail. So I feel like now that I got the chair all put together, I don't really know what to do with the rest of my day. I'm I'm like bored. And what time is it? It is 4:24. Not really bedtime yet. The kids are like napping. I can clearly hear them upstairs playing, so they're not napping, but they're also not leaving their room. So I feel fine about that. Still feels like quiet time and a win for mom. So like it's all good to me. I guess I can watch some TV shows. Maybe I'll make some lunch, like a late lunch, and sit on the couch. Let's do that. That sounds like a plan.